Hello, I'm going to show you how to make the chicken feet, and I have about 12 pieces chicken feet in here, and I'm using 2 slices of ginger, put it in the hot boiling water and put all the chicken in it. I'm going to put all the chicken feet in it. Okay, I just leave it there. And also I have about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, about 1 tablespoon of green onion and 3 slices of ginger. And for the sauce, I'm using about 2 cups of water and 1 teaspoon of chili bean sauce and 1 teaspoon of sweet bean sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. The chili bean sauce, and the sweet bean sauce. Okay, there is the chili bean sauce I just put in, and also I put 1 teaspoon of sweet bean sauce in it also too. And I put 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce in it, and about 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, and I mix. Okay, then let's see the chicken feet over here. It looks good. Then only put it in there for take a few minutes. Then you remove it. Remove all the chicken feet. Okay, the wok is hot. Then I put the ginger in it first. Okay, I'm going to put the ginger on the side. Then I put the chicken feet in it. Okay, then I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in it. Then I put all the sauce in it. So I'm going to cover it, wait until they're boiling, then I turn it to low heat and cook it about 45 minutes. So wait until they boil. See how they turn into boiling right now? So I'm going to turn on the low heat, really low, to cook them about 45 minutes. Let's just leave it there, right here, like that. See, they are slowly bubbling, about 2, really low. Then we wait for 45 minutes. Okay, this is already 45 minutes. That's how it looks like that. They're really thick, the sauce, turn it to. Then I'm going to turn on high heat again. So I'm going to dry the sauce a little bit. Looks good. Then I'm going to put all the green onion in it. Okay, I'm going to turn off the heat. Okay, that's how I make today the chicken feet with chili bean sauce.